Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna share with you a quick way to make 6 pages and 1 pocket with 1 sheet of letter size paper. It can be a perfect photo album, or you can put a couple of these together, make a double folded folio, and also you can make it an insert for your junk journal. Just use your imagination. Let's get started. I printed my pattern on both sides of a letter-sized 110-pound cardstock, and then I trim off the white part. And then use my scoreboard, score from the right side at 9.5 inch, score, and then at 9 5/8 score one more time. Come to the middle at 4 3/4, score it, and then turn the paper around along the long side, score at 4 inches. Now I'm ready to fold my paper. Fold once along the long side and fold again at the 4-inch score. After finish all the folding, on the short side I have a thickness here which is 1/8 of inch. I'm going to make a couple of cuts along the short side in the middle and make one cut from the edge to the folds. When I fold the other half of the paper over, it will be a pocket. Along the middle fold, make another cut from the long edge to the center. And this way we are going to have a pocket in the center, 2 flaps, one fold up to the front and the other one fold up in the back of the pocket. Before I make the pocket, I'm going to trim off 1/8 of inch from the short side. This way I'm going to make some room when I fold it. And then I'm going to trim off some of the tab of the pocket. I'm going to glue the tab and also the bottom side of the pocket because the other side is already closed. And here I have the pocket, and this is it. Now I'm using the circle punch to punch a small piece off of the top of the pocket. And the final step is to distress all the edges. I made a couple of these folios I'm gonna put them together. I'm going to use add-on paper from my Christmas kit as a folder to put these two folios together. They fold overlap perfectly. I'm going to cover the center and make a pocket. This paper measures 4 inches by 5 inches. I'm using a piece of ribbon to close the folio. This makes a perfect photo album. A very nice gift. And this beautiful folio is going to be part of my Christmas pocket journal embellishment. The size perfectly fits in one of these pockets. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.